Classes allow you to organise your students in myLexia and are essential in order to get reporting data for each student. Make sure each student is added to at least one class in the Manage tab. To create a class, select the Classes tab and then select the plus icon. Add some details about the class, including the class name and year group. Then it is time to add some students by clicking this button. The list on the left will display all available students in the class's year group, but you can filter to see all students by using the drop-down list at the top. Select the students that you would like to add to the class by clicking the boxes next to their names, and then click Add to Selected Students. The students' names will appear in your final class list on the right. Once this is complete, click Done. You will also need to add staff accounts to ensure that members of staff are able to see the students in their classes. Select the Add Staff button and, as before, select the relevant staff members and click Add to Selected Staff. Once complete, click Done and you're ready to save the class. You can add further staff and students to an existing class by clicking the Edit pencil and then selecting the Modify buttons here. Once students are added to a class, you will be able to access reports at the class and student level in the Reading tab.